Hey, what's up guys? So in this quick tutorial I'm going to teach you how to create a transparent background image. This is specifically useful if you're creating logos. We do lots of video gigs obviously on Fiverr and people per hour, things such as that, and we always need transparent background logos to add as watermarks or background images to our video services. And what I've seen over the past 7,000 orders that I've created is there's a lot of people out there who actually don't know what a transparent image is, and they don't know how to create one as well. So in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what a transparent image is and how you can create one for yourself as well, which will hopefully make life a lot easier for you when you're ordering our services. So let's jump straight in. I'm in Photoshop at the moment. I'm going to open an example of a traditional logo that we get. So this is just a generic logo design that I've downloaded off Google. And the first problem that we have is that this has a white background on it. This is a standard JPEG file format, and the white background is really what's killing us. Oh, let me get rid of that. So, in Photoshop, to remove the white background, it's a pretty simple process. First of all, we need to duplicate the layer, switch off the background layer, and then hit the wand tool. The wand tool will essentially select all of the same colour that it sees. So, I have the tolerance set to 50, which is I tend to find is a pretty good mark. Click that, you can see that the little running ants here have selected everything that's white on the outside here. If I click delete, that will delete that. So what we're looking for in Photoshop is this checkerboard effect. That means that there's no background there. One of the things to be aware of with the Magic Wand tool is that it will not select isolated areas, such as the center of letters or isolated areas within logo bits, like in this squiggly bit here. So it's important that you go back and you delete any isolated areas as required, like so. And now we can pretty much see all of the white has disappeared. One quick check that I recommend that you do on this is to create a solid layer in black, drop that underneath the new layer, and you can see if there's any white showing. Obviously this is a pretty simple logo design, so we've not got any hidden white areas, but that's just a final check to make sure that we have deleted all of the background there. The next step is to save this file as a transparent image. So to do that we go to File, Save for Web, and the format that you need is PNG. So most people deliver files as JPEGs. However, JPEGs will not render a transparent background, so you can see here with the white background is back again. So what we need is we need a PNG 24, and then we need to make sure that the transparency option is selected. So click transparent, and then there we go. Click save. Save that as transparent file. Save. Job done. That file's now saved as a transparent background for us, so when you send that to me for editing on videos, then I don't have any of the issues with having obviously a solid background that doesn't look great. To give you a quick example of how this works when we're producing things on video, I'll load up Adobe Premiere, which is what we use for editing, and just quickly load up one of our recent client projects. I'll import two files. So I'll import the transparent file, and I'll also import the solid white background file. And what you will see, so first off, this is the solid white background file. So you can see straight away that we've got a white background there. I'll just scale this down to 45, 35, so it's smaller. So if we were going to use this as a watermark on one of your videos, you've got this horrible white background. It doesn't look very professional, stands out, and is ultimately pretty distracting. The look that we're going for is a sleeker look, more professional look, which means that we don't want the white background. So if I pull on the transparent file, just copy the size. And now the transparent file I've overlaid over the top of the white background file. And you'll see if I switch off the white background, we get a really nice, clean looking transparent logo. So that means that we can add that obviously onto the background wall when we do the superimposing there. If you have one of our news gig videos, we can add the logo onto the news gig and you don't have that horrible background again on there. Generally, it just makes things look a lot cleaner. So I hope that really helps. If you are ordering a video service from us or you're looking to do any kind of watermarking on any project, then that's how you create a transparent background, and the file type is obviously PNG. Awesome stuff. Look forward to working with you soon, and please drop me any questions if there's anything that you need help with.